crafty people, this is Ellen with EGI Designs. Today I am coming to you with a unboxing video of a little mini haul that I just got from Papertrey Ink. You guys know how much I love them, especially their Birthday Your Way stamp set. I think that's my most used happy birthday set. But I picked up some of the new release, and there's some Mother's Day things and things like that in here. So I thought we could open it up and see what we have. I'm pretty excited about it. Okay. Alright, so we can start with the Mother's Day sentiments. Oh, these look so pretty. There was a note in the box that said that the dies were currently out of stock, so they will be sending them as soon as they are available, so that'll be good. I'm trying to look for something plain to put behind this. Look at these fonts on here. This is great. Happy Mother's Day, best mom ever, mom. Then there's a lot of like really cute inside sentiments. Thank you for all the ways you've cared for me and for always being there for me. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you, Mom, for all your love. To the woman I admire most, Happy Mother's Day. Home will always be wherever you are, and for all that you do and all that you are, I love you with all of my heart. So some great Mother's Day sentiments there. And such a cute set. I love the way they package these. They're so cute. So this one is the Say It Essentials. Oh, this looks so good. Look at how many come in the package. Oh, look at all these. What a great collection. There's birthday, sympathy, best wishes, congratulations, thank you, happy anniversary, Easter blessings, thanks, lots of good stuff. And this one, baby shower, make a wish, here for you, you did it, good luck, proud of you, Merry Christmas, happy birthday, mama to be, sending prayers. So a lot of just a great assortment of general sentiments. Also an outstanding collection. Alright, and I also got this cream or ivory twine. Oh, and this is so soft. This would be perfect when you just want to have that little touch of like a natural material on your cards. It's so soft. I bet this tie is amazing too. And then I got this container of, I think these are the Moonshine. Let me just double check for you. Just want to make sure I get the correct. Yeah, these are the Moonshine Sequins. Look at that. So sparkly. These are those little like confetti ones. They don't have the whole, there's all different sizes in there. And then I wanted to try out, this is the Pro Stampers box from March. And you get lots of things in here to be able to make cards. Let me check this out. This is the first time I've gotten one of these Pro Stampers box. I wanted to try it out. Ooh. Alright, so you get a little stamp set. This one also has 2 sheets. So this is a layering stamp set. You can make these beautiful flowers. And then I will always be here for you, thinking of you, best wishes. And then this one has the stems. Happy Mother's Day, happy birthday, thank you. And these are all the layering pieces for that. Alright, let's see what else is in these goodies. Ooh, we have the die set that goes with that. You get a couple of the frames. I was really attracted to these frames, and that's part of the reason why I wanted the kit. But it cuts out a few of the sentiments. Oh, actually, no, they're just standalone. I apologize. Yeah, they're actual word dies. And then you have the flowers and the stems. That is great. Let's see. Ah, look at this hello. That's awesome. I love that on the thinking of you, and these frames are great. Alright, so that's exciting. What else is this? We have some stencils. Trying to find a way to show these to you. So we have like a crisscross and then kind of distressed on the edges, and then the same here with the circles. So you could do a really cool kind of mixed media background with that. Alright, so this cutie little kit, we have stamp set, we have the dies, and let's see what else. And then we have the stencils. So that is a great little kit. I'm excited to use that for my Mother's Day cards. So here's all that and all that. Alright. So like I said, there are dies for this Mother's Day sentiments. They are out of stock right now, so they're going to send them to me when they are in stock, so I look forward to that. And then again, we have the Say It Essentials, a lot of good just general sentiments in there, and then this awesome kit with so many cool things in here. The Moonshine Sequins, and then the natural twine that is so soft. Alright, so there is just a few things from this month's release. There are a ton of product in the line for that release, but this is what I picked out for the upcoming Mother's Day card making that needs to happen. So I will list everything in the description box that I showed you today. I do have affiliate links. Come join me over on Facebook. I post cards, videos, and any crafty sales that I come across. And if you like today's video, if you could hit that subscribe button, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an awesome day. Bye-bye. Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.